Welcome back to Annoying Games. This is the second part in the series, and we'll be playing Flappy Timberbird. Let's get started. So you just keep on tapping on the side and then switch. And then when that bar runs out, you lose. Or if you hit something. So I don't know what that is, but let's keep on playing. Whoops. Oh, stupid ads. Just turn Wi-Fi off so the ads don't appear. Let's keep going. So you have to be careful, but you can't be slow. 100 was going to be my goal, so that's pretty good. Let's see if we can beat that score. Whoops. As I said in the last part, let me know of more annoying games that you want me to play, and I'll play them. Whoops. Let's see if we can beat 112. This game is surprisingly hard. Like, you need to be quick. But not too quick. So basically you tap the left side to go left, the right side to go right. What do you reckon? Can we beat 112? It's hard to, like, know your position. See, then I didn't bang into a pipe, but it's because that meter ran out up there. No. Come on. I'm sorry about my last video too. For some reason I didn't show the whole screen. If you watched it anyway, thanks, but don't go back and watch it if you haven't. Unless you really want to. I think after we beat that score, I'll end this. Let's do it. No. hard because when you swap sides, you don't move up as well. So, it just confuses my brain. No. No. Okay, let's... Come on. Ah, no. I think next episode we'll play Retry. No. Ah. I don't think we'll be able to beat our high score. I think we set the bar pretty high. If you guys have played this before, let me know what your high score is. This is the first time I've played this. It gets so confusing and starts messing with your eyes. I wonder how many attempts we've had. Yes, 50, 60, 70. No, we could have beat our score then. Let me know what games you want me to suffer through, like this. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. No. No. I think we'll have 3 more attempts and then I'll end the video. So, 2 more left. No, 1 more. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Leave a comment on what annoying games you want me to play, and I'll see you all later. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, and yeah, bye!